It's May 14, 2026, and the Baby Doge Army is holding the line, while the broader market is feeling the heat. Baby Doge just snagged the number one most visited spot on the coin market cap. During a market downturn, attention is the most valuable currency, and we've got it all. Let's talk numbers. Our 200-day moving average has been sloping up since early May, showing a strong long-term trend. The RSI is sitting in that neutral pretty-for zone, meaning we aren't overbought. We're just building a solid base for the next leg up. The 1M Baby Doge units are making trading smoother than ever. Why is this happening? While other communities go quiet when things get red, the pack gets louder. We've seen a 7% gain over the last week despite the volatility. The community conviction is at an all-time high dismay. Are you watching the charts or are you part of the movement? Drop a pause up.